I'm Neil Hipwell, the founding director of the design and construct company Futureflip. And today we're here at my Waverly development, which is recently completed, and to give you guys a little bit of a tour and talk about this project. So this was a really interesting project. It was a 14-room boarding house, which was really tempting for me to want to renovate and fix up the old boarding house. But the more I delved into the project, I realized that this was definitely the spot to build two incredibly nice big family homes. It had the size, and it was in an area that didn't have too many big houses. They're all terraces or units in this precinct in Waverly. So yeah, we decided to go all out, knock the boarding house down and build these incredible homes. So the purpose of this home for us was a development, but it's also our brand. Everything we do, we put so much time and energy into creating a luxury product that builds up our brand. So we chose to use Miele appliances throughout this development in our laundry, kitchen. Everything's decked out with the best of the best. We wanted the buyers to come through the house and really notice that there's no expense spared on quality. Everything in this house is going to last, going to stand the test of time. The function is at the forefront. So making sure, like, step one for us is just get that layout perfect so that it is going to work. Every single millimeter of that site is used properly. And then we start to focus on bringing the natural light in, bringing the ventilation, and then the fun stuff starts with the aesthetics. So making the bling, really work, making it minimalist, but still really, really high end. Yeah, so we knew this size of house would attract an entertainer. It's a 5-bedroom, lift, 3 levels, dual parking, pools, big yards. We knew that this was going to be bought by someone that loves to entertain. So we did not want to compromise on the appliances. We went all out. We got the double combi ovens. We've got a big butler's pantry filled with all the good stuff. We've got the wine conditioning unit, which basically means you don't need to go anywhere. You can have people around, you can cook whatever you want. Everything's contained within this living space, which is pretty unique for a kind of inner city house. I think the main thing about Miele, they align with our core values, which is sustainability, quality, durability, and technology. So this house is kitted out with the latest smart home technology, and Miele are pretty much the only one on the market doing that with their appliances. So you can control your cooking and not even be at home. When we're in the design stage for the laundry, the kitchen, and the butlers, there was so much consideration given to functionality. We wanted, we're in a valuable piece of real estate. We can't have a humongous laundry, but we need it to function like a humongous laundry. So we chose to do the stack setup with the Miele washer and dryer on top of each other, which saves a lot of space, gives you heaps of fold space on the benches, and heaps of cupboard space, hanging space. So we used the space really well, and we put a door straight off the laundry to the drying section. So that worked really well for the laundry. And then moving into the butler's pantry, we knew that had to be a really functional space for entertaining. Everything you need for a whole kitchen in that little butler's, which works so well for Christmas dinners and everything. And also, if you're in a rush and you just kind of close that door and use it as the mess room, and I think people really appreciate that in this day and age. And then the main seller for the house was always going to be the kitchen. So we wanted something that was an entertainer's dream, that you could have a large family plus friends over, have a couple of things cooking at once, some things in the warmer drawer, some things in the steamer, and also have that option for people to eat healthy, cook healthy by using the steamer option as opposed to sucking the life out of the nutrients of your food the way we normally cook with the normal conventional oven setup. So having all of those things aligning with what we do as a business, it's the perfect choice for us.